Hey everybody, we're the Nerds. I'm Jeremy.
I'm Steph.
And we're here at Dollywood's DreamMore Resort in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We have an awesome patio poolside room we're going to show you today. We're out here on the patio now. And let's head inside and check it out.
Let's go.
We're in the lobby now at DreamMore Resort. This is one of our favorite hotels. You can see the big Dolly picture on the wall over there. We absolutely love it. They have a seating area that we're in right now. Throughout the year too, they have different drinks. So before they had like a lemonade, they have a hot apple cider right now. We'll show you what that is in 1 second. It's all complimentary. You have your check-in desk over to your left. Just a huge, beautiful lobby here. And again, it's absolutely lovely here. We love it. We've done the Dolly Parton suite here, in the description below with that, the reunion suite here. Dolly Parton suite's over the top amazing. The reunion suite's really cool, if you're having a wedding or something like that. It's a really cool suite. So the poolside patio suites are on the first floor. You come into the hotel here on the second floor. We're actually take the stairs down. They have some beautiful elevators as well. So take the stairs down. Right as you come into your right over here, is where you get your drinks at. Here's the things here for the day. So you got the crafts, you got the hot apple cider, you got s'mores, and everything is included here. So this hotel does everything that's included. And off to the right here, you have that hot apple cider. I'm going to walk down the stairs now. Come down. You have the beautiful windows and everything. It's just a beautiful lobby all around. We absolutely love it here. And then we'll go to your
Beautiful
right.
pool too out there.
This way over here. We're going this side.
We'll go this way.
So right as you come down the stairs here, there's a planking wood from Dolly's stage. This is her first stage, the front porch of the Tennessee Mountain Home. And to the right is something really interesting. So inside that box to the right is a secret song from Dolly Parton. And so if you read there,
it's going to be released on her
100th birthday.
Yeah, January 19th, 2046. Her birthday was just 2 days ago.
Yep, 77.
She turned 77.
So
yeah.
really cool. And then again, you can see the beautiful lobby here in the downstairs part of it, more sitting areas. Solomon Hawk is over here. They do have a brunch buffet, a lunch buffet, or it's a brunch buffet, a breakfast buffet, and a dinner buffet. And if you follow me this way, well, the nooks here we like for eating. This whole area right here has all the albums and everything. You see all the covers here. It's just really cool. They did a really good job here. And rhinestone and rainbow and just so many cool things. A huge Dolly picture right here.
Gorgeous, lady, gorgeous.
Yep. And then here's what the elevators are to your right. This is where you would come down and take the elevators. The spa is right here as well. And then we're going to head this way.
Are you saying at the end of a conversation?
So right here on the wall is a really cool portion. If you look at it here, it's a turn. So it's like a train over there. And then if you turn back the other way from the other side, it switches over to Dollywood.
Mm-hmm. That's cool.
Yeah, so you can get from the other side Dolly as well. Gristmill picture right here. It's the best cinnamon bread you'll ever have. You can get upstairs in the coffee shop on the second floor. So you can get the same cinnamon bread here. Right behind stuff, look at that Dollywood Smoky Mountains little postmark. We got some cool information here about the Reserve Spa. Oh, there's Rudolph. We saw Rudolph this year.
We did see Rudolph.
Yeah.
You guys, this cider is delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Hot cider, nothing better.
Phenomenal. And it's free. So you get as many of these if you want to. I know it's a smaller cup, but
Yeah, you don't
20
need
of them if you want to. And then you turn back around now. It's changed in Hollywood.
Woo.
And then we're going to head this way. So you have the indoor pool, game room, Handy W Fitness Center. We'll show you all that too. We're going to make a pit stop first. Yeah, it's a cool little room we have. So we're actually 131.
First room.
So if you get a patio poolside suite, I'd probably ask for 131. You're right there at the elevators. Let's head inside. Alrighty, so I think the door is shut there. And then right as you come inside, nice full linear. I always love these coat hooks right behind Steph right now. The other rooms we stayed in had, except for the Dolly Parton suite did, because it's a little bit different to cool.
Do you mind setting that down?
Sure, man. So I love those coat hooks. They're really cool. And then come in here, bathroom, and you have your center toilet. And you have your sink and everything in here.
Oh, there's the tub.
And we have the cosmetic cloth there, some of your amenities, sink, all your towels, a little place to hang some towels right there, everything you need. And they got those cool shower curtains that like all those bright colors. And this one has the tub in it. So I'm not sure if they all have tubs. You could ask. I know the reunion suite we stayed in before had the shower and tub separate, so had 2 bathrooms, 1 shower, then 1 tub room.
I think these would have tubs more
Oh,
than
for the
mine
kids.
because they're more for kids, yeah.
Yep, we'll show you that part here in 1 second. So there's that. I think you're right, so we'll show you that. Set the apple cider down. You got a little spot here, 2 drawers for storage. Plenty of coat hangers here. And a little spot to put your luggage at. Really nice. Coming this way, you have a little wet bar area here. So your fridge is going to be down below. Other side is just empty. Have your ice bucket and cups right there. Little wet bar here. Sink. Have a little towel right there in the mirror. Now this side here, this is pretty cool. Actually, let me show you this first. Come on here. So exact same as what you saw before. Just somewhere to hang your clothes. Storage. Iron board. So that's plenty of storage here.
Iron, guys.
Get that iron. This right here. This is pretty cool. Bunk beds. So, and Stephanie actually showed me this earlier. So I'll show you here. You got the bunk beds. You have 2 beds here. This is very sturdy. It's like some hotels you go to, it's kind of loose, but that's very sturdy. You have a little luggage thing right there. On this side, you have TV, and then you can actually sit there and put your shoes on if you want to. You also have a little bit of storage right there for the kids' luggage. And then they have these bunk beds. Look at this. I'll show it to you. So at first we thought it was a little bed, and Stephanie's like, no, it's like a sleeping bag. So if you look here, it's actually a sleeping bag bed. So this is all one piece on the bed there.
And the zipper's down here.
And the zipper's right here. And so you can zip it up. And then you're in a
zips
sleeping
on
bag.
both sides.
Yeah, it's just a little sleeping bag.
And there's one up there too.
And you got the TV that comes out right here. So this is really cool. And then right here's a door too. So if you have your kids, you can shut the door here, have a little privacy in there if you want to, have the kids in here, leave it open, plenty of options. Bed, love the beds here. Beds are super soft, nice, got the butterfly. Put wings on your dreams. So king size bed, dream on the lampshades. You have table and lamp there. This side you have a table, lamp, and a clock. And the clock has 2 plugs and 2 USBs. So plenty of places to charge things at. Over here at the DreamMore lamp with the DM logo on it. Nice little table to work at here. Coffee maker. All the rooms give you these too, which is pretty cool. So little postcards if you want to take them home with you. There's a notepad in here, a DreamMore pen in your phone. And right here, your breakfast. Put this on your door. Bring breakfast in the morning. Look at that right there. Get a pot of coffee, get you a cinnamon bread. So when we stayed here, last time we did the reunion suite, which again it's a king room, a living room, and 2 bathrooms. Before that, we did the Dolly Parton suite. That thing was amazing. So it was really cool eating the cinnamon bread in the Dolly Parton suite. So get some cinnamon bread while you're here, eat it in your room. It's a cool experience. So just kind of hang out in your room with the same cinnamon bread you get from the park. Got TV over here, a couple more postcards over here, plenty of storage in your safe. This right here on the back side there is our ticket. I think it's T. Graham Bell tonight, I believe it is. Or T. Graham.
Couldn't tell you.
Yeah, it is tonight. Right now they're doing their music series. So if you stay here, it's still cheaper than the main season. A lot of times there's no night minimums right now during this time of the year. And they got their concert series. And so a lot of times, like this room here, was still a couple $100 cheaper than we ever have seen it. Plus we got 2 tickets to the free concert tonight. So it's like a really good package. You're on the spa level. Spa treatment, book right there. I'll try on the back for the QR code.
And they are closed on Sundays. Or I would be going and getting my
Yeah.
nails or hair
And just some random stuff real quick. Massages, look at $75 starting. Haircuts starting at $80 for women. Men looks like $50. They got nail services, facial services.
Waxing.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff. So we've never been in the spa here, but I can tell you from the doors and times we've kind of seen the doors open and peeked in, it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
I imagine it'd be nice. And then you're wondering, like, oh, it's a patio poolside suite. So what does that mean? So this is what this coming up is. So you got the king bed, the bunk beds, pretty cool for the kids. And so then out here you have your little patio. So if you come out here, you got a table, 4 chairs, pretty nice sized table. If you look up too, it's covered, at least partially. So if it is rainy, you can put the chairs back a little bit and still sit out here. So you got a little bit of bushes here. I wouldn't say it's super private. You know, there's been some balconies somewhere we can see your neighbors, but there is neighbors all on that side. We're on the very end, so we have no neighbors on this side. So if you do have some concerns with privacy, I wouldn't say probably look at this room, because if you're outside, there's a potential to have 4 or 5 other people looking at you, 4 other rooms looking at you. It's okay for me. I think Steph for now, but like it was a busy season, he wants the privacy, it may not be the best. But if you have kids and things like that, you can see the pool a little bit over here, so you can have the kids play in the pool. You can hang out here. They can run up to the gate right here if you need to get a towel.
There's not
or
a gate.
Drink. Not a gate, the fence. So they gotta run through the mulch. But that's another point we like to see here.
Yeah.
So it'd be really cool if they put a little gate in. They can put a key card access on a gate. So if they had a little gate, you can walk right over here and then right over the pole. That'd be really cool. But if you had still little kids, they can still run up right here to the mulch real quick, grab a towel from you, grab a drink. So it's still got some cool accessibility items to get up here and get some things real quick. And just for point of reference, this is that end room I was saying about, the number, was it 131? So this is the elevator lobby we just came in through. So if you come down the elevators, you go out that door right there to get to the pool area. The lobby's right there, elevator right there. So if you're gonna book a poolside suite room, I'd probably say ask for room 131 at the very end. You have a little bit more privacy on the end, very close to everything. Hot cider right above me. Now you want to kind of maybe eliminate, but yeah, it's a pretty cool room. I like it. There's a Stephanie coming out onto the poolside patio now of the room here. So look, there's the poolside patio. I'm on the other side of the fence there. And then here's the pools right now. The pools outside are closed for the winter. The indoor pool is still open. There's the elevators right there. And then you have the little sitting area up there. And then back to a Stephanie right there. So the poolside patio room. And actually right above us, those windows up there with the little triangles, is Dolly Parton's suite up there. So and Stephanie's leaving us. So our room is directly that way on the first floor. Once you get this little tile area down the hallway, there's restrooms right there. There's another outside entrance. You have Camp DW for the kids there. So here's some information here. Camp DW on Instagram. And then here's some activities they have here. And you can see that complimentary s'mores sounds amazing. I don't know if we'll be here the night for that or not. But I have a lot of complimentary things. There's a lot of kids in here swimming, so I don't want to show all the kids. But there's a look at the indoor pool right there. So a nice indoor pool. And then turning around this way, you get the workout room over here. There's nobody in here. There's your workout room, free weights, all the equipment you could possibly want, TV, water, scale, towels, and everything. They have a full arcade down here as well. So plenty of claw machines, basketball machines, air hockey. It's a really nice arcade room here. All right, Steph's going for the ducks. We always get a duck usually at the arcades. These are glittery, cool looking ducks in here. This is a duck catcher. Oh, you got the gold. These are play to your win, which is pretty cool too. So you keep playing to get you a duck. What'd you get, Steph? The gold duck? Gold duck. That's cool.
You're going for a Jurassic Park dinosaur?
I am. We'll call it Chad. If you know, you know. Chad's right there.
All right, Chad, come on home.
We'll put Chad and Natasha's channel in the description below to check it out. Oh, did I get a Chad?
Oh my God.
Oh. Here's a look at the patio at nighttime. So we're out here having dinner. There's the elevators right there. Completely silent here. Now, of course, you come during the peak season, it'll probably be a lot busier. But all of our neighbors are kind of not here. Stephanie mentioned the steam. I'll get up here and see if you can see it. You can kind of see it a little bit right there by that light straight ahead. You see that little kind of smoke? That's the steam from the hot tub. But I think all of these rooms here all have lights off. So I don't know if anybody's out here tonight, but it's our little patio right here having dinner. It's very nice out here, that's for sure. I like this patio room quite a bit. It's a nice cool morning out here. The rain has let up, and guess what? We have the famous cinnamon bread. Put the icing on it. You can almost see some of the steam coming off. We had them bring it to our room. So cool morning in the mountain, and cinnamon bread right there. Love it. We are checking out now, sadly, from the DreamMore Resort. You can see the patio back there behind us a little bit. Another awesome room. This is a great room if you have kids. It has the 2 bunk beds in here. Has the king size bed. Has the the bathroom on the other side. The door you can close off, and has the patio outside. So it's just a really great room for kids or families. And we actually enjoyed having some dinner out there on the patio last night. Still out there a little bit this morning. So it's just nice and peaceful out there in the morning. Really good. The description below will be our reunion suite video from here and our Dolly Parton suite video from here. So this is there was 3 main suites I want to stay at here. This one and those 2. We stayed at all 3 now. We'll be back to this hotel. Looking forward to the new hotel being built over here. So we're going to try to get some suites in that hotel for you. Again, if there's any hotels you want to see, or especially suites, I love staying in the suites. Let us know in the comments below. There's not much else to say. Just stay here, get some cinnamon bread in the morning. It's fantastic. And the nerds are
Out.